Ever wished you could build your own ChatGPT-like app without writing endless code? There's a tool for that, and it might just change how you think about AI. Flowise is an open-source drag-and-drop tool that lets you build custom large language model workflows in minutes. It's kind of like building with Lego. Each block represents a component like a prompt, a tool, or an AI model. It's built on top of Node-RED and LangChain, which makes it super flexible. You can connect to OpenAI, Google PaLM, local models, and more. And if you're into fine-tuning or training models for advanced tasks, Flowise has nodes for that too. The best part, no hardcore programming needed. You can visually test and tweak your pipeline and deploy it as an API. That means building your own AI app or chatbot is faster and cheaper, especially if you're using open weights or local models. However, it's still early stage. Some bugs, some learning curve, but the community is active and updates are constant. That's it for now. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.